It was all about the Smirnoff Carnival Experience launch that took place last Friday on the lawns of the AC Hotel in Kingston. The event saw soca lovers, socialites and carnival executives out in their numbers, creating the ultimate experience for carnival lovers. The specially invited guests were happy and excited to be out, and many can't wait to see when Carnival will take place in Jamaica.
Smirnoff always just gives you vibrant, energy, and I mean Smirnoff starting the carnival season basically. I had to be here.
It's been a good vibe so far. I mean, we haven't been out in 2 years, so it's very good to be out and to be experiencing the event.
So good, we haven't been outside for a long time. So to hear the soca music and to drink our favorite mixes, the Moscow Mule and all of that, so exciting. Really enjoying it.
Smirnoff brand manager LaShawn Davis shared with E-Prime details of the Smirnoff Carnival experience, which includes one lucky winner being treated to an all-expense paid trip to Miami's Carnival.
So tonight is going to be exciting and amazing. Road free up. We're flying artists. Skinny Fabulous is going to perform, as well as we're pouring Smirnoff vodka all night. Must be responsible, drink responsibly, as we also had a demonstration by Tika Samuda, who's a free consultant, showing personally how easy it is to make these carnival mixes. So Smirnoff is preparing for the road with Bacchanal, Exodus, Jamaica, everybody. Road free up and we're ready to party.
The energy was held high all night thanks to DJ Richie Rass. Now the lounge also treated guests to an energetic performance from soca artist Skinny Fabulous, who delivered hits from his extensive catalog. Multi-Grammy award-winning band Morgan Heritage has released the anticipated video for their track Headline for Front Page. The video was released today and tackles their observations about the lack of attention media sheds on injustice. Headline for Front Page also features some of dancehall newcomers Ritical, aka Puritical, and Jashi, and dancehall artist Ioctane. The project is produced by Morgan Heritage and is officially released by one of the group's imprints, Heritage Crown Productions, and was distributed by Johnny Wonder in North America and South America by Horus Music globally. Now onto the international scene, where the Oscars Film Academy has launched a formal review into the incident involving Will Smith and Chris Rock. Smith hit Rock in the face on stage after the comic made a joke about the actor's wife, Jada Pinkett Smith. Yesterday, Will Smith issued an apology to Chris Rock. In a post on Instagram, Smith referred to his behavior as unacceptable and inexcusable. He said, quote, "Jokes at my expense are a part of the job, but a joke about Jada's medical condition was too much for me to bear, and I reacted emotionally. I would like to apologize to you, Chris. I was out of line and I was wrong. I'm embarrassed and my actions were not indicative of the man I want to be. There is no place for violence in the world of love and kindness." End quote. Smith said violence in all forms is poisonous and destructive. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for E-Prime.